barbecue season.
What do you mean? We kick off already. We made an amazing tacos video the other day that was crazy good. Everybody loved it.
Oh yeah, I love them too.
And that was the first one for the May season. We're kicking off the barbecue season here, guys, with that beautiful taco video. If you haven't seen it, you have to check it out. And after that, we make a dinner for Mom's Day that, it was good. It was good. It was completely different, something completely different. But today, guys, today we are testing something that I've been dying to test, man. I've been looking for this amazing bison steak for a long time, and I finally have it. These are 3 New York steaks, bison, and we're gonna dry brine these babies up and see if it makes it better. We're gonna have this one here 24 hours, this one here is gonna be 12 hours, and this one we're just gonna put salt on this baby before we cook it. That's the experiment, guys. Let's go. Yes, I know I shouldn't be using a finishing salt for brining, but believe me, we tried several tests and the Maldon salt came out with the best results of all of them. So here we have it, guys. We have 24 hours, we have 12 hours, and we have the one that we haven't put any salt on it yet. So the next step will be to rinse these 2 babies up really well. Make sure you remove all that salt from there. And let's just put the spices on it and let's grill it and see what happens. See a few differences on the steak. The one that is being brining for 24 hours is a little tougher to the touch. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's already a little bit tougher. It's like it sucked a little bit more of the salt, which is, I guess, normal, what we were expecting. Then we have the one that is being brining for 12 hours. This one is a little tough too, but it's a lot softer than the other one, the one with the 24 hours brining. There is a difference, and this one is of course the one that we didn't put any salt on, and this one is pretty soft. It's a normal steak, you can say. It's tender, it looks nice. We rinsed them up, they're looking good already. I think it's time for us to put some spices on these babies and give it a good try. Let's go for it. Because it's bison, we're going to treat it different. We're going to put it in an indirect heat for about 20 minutes or until it hits 120 degrees internal temperature. And after that, we just sear them up, and that's it. Let's give it a try, Messenger. We have number A, number B, and number C, and all you have to tell me is which one you like better.
Okay.
Let's see if this works.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go.
Oh,
I'm ready.
Brother. Let's go for this one.
Yum, 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 yum. Ready?
All right, we have number A.
Number A.
Let's go. Miss
Wow.
Ninja.
Love the intensity of the beef, but it has a twig in it.
Mm.
It really does.
Man.
Mm.
Super beefy, super strong.
Yeah.
Super strong. Keep that in mind.
Okay.
A little tough. A little tough to the bite. You didn't feel a little tough?
Yeah.
A little tough, but nothing crazy, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go for number B and let's see. A little one for Miss Ninja.
Number B.
A regular size for the Ninja
Yeah,
here.
that's big. Let's go.
Number B.
Mm.
Wow.
More tender.
Wow.
That's really good.
Miss Ninja.
Oh.
Wow, guys.
Hmm.
This is amazing.
It is.
Wow. Tender, super beefy, really nice. I cannot say it yet, but let's go for number C real quick.
There you go. Come on. Mm.
Number C.
Oh, wow.
Hmm.
Less beefier. We're more tender. Right?
Yeah.
There you go.
But it is a lot less beefier.
Mm-hmm.
It's not as beefy as the first one or the second one. All right, Menina, let me tell you real quick what we have here.
What is
Number
it?
A. Well, all of them are Bison New York strip.
So it's like wild thing. You
It's
make
the
my
wild
heart
thing.
sing.
All right, we have the wild thing here.
Yeah.
Number A, we brine this baby 24 hours.
Okay.
Number B, we brine this baby for 12 hours.
Gotcha.
Number C, we did a brining. That's the control.
Okay, gotcha. So which one is your favorite?
I have to tell you, I love number B. Number B
B.
is amazing.
Number B is
Number
the
B
winner.
is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Number B is super beefy, it's tender, it's amazing, and it really brings those flavors up like crazy.
Yes, it does.
Number A is super beefy, but it's a little tough to the bite. Number C is Bison, okay? It's gonna be beefy no matter what.
I love bison.
It's amazing, but it's really tender, but the beefy flavor is on number C. So now you know, guys, if you are making any bison, and believe me, there is not a lot of buffalo here in the United States. If you're gonna eat something, it's normally gonna be bison meat,
Yes, it
even
is.
if you say buffalo. If you're gonna eat bison steak, brine those baby up for 12 hours before you cook them, and you are going to be amazed of the
It
result.
is not gaming at all.
No game
That's
at all.
what I love about this wild thing.
Real good.
Yeah.
Real good.
So
If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
love the like.
Subscribe to the channel. Remember that all the information is going to be down there in the description. Share with your friends and family. So if you guys are going to eat bison, it's going to be an amazing bison. And I'll see you in the next one, baby. I love you.
Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
All right, we have Mr. Georgie here giving it a try. Let's see which one he likes the best. Number
Number
A, number B, and number C. Georgie, which one?
Oh my God, he went for number B!